Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Today we're going to show you how to pull up sheet vinyl. Some people call it linoleum. Let's get right into it. We need a utility knife and a razor blade scraper. This is all you need. Let's do it. First thing we're going to do, cut your sheet vinyl into strips about this wide. It's going to make it a lot easier. Then you're going to grab a hold of it. You're going to pull it up just with your hand. Get everything that you can pull up like this without using the scraper. It's going to make your job a lot easier. Okay. Pull up one more. This specific floor right here, as you can see, has 2 layers of sheet vinyl. So you're going to want to get all this up all the way down to your main floor. And one more. That's pretty much for right there. All right, that's pretty much going to do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.